Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I replace the brake lights and running lights with LED bulbs. And this is on a 2008 RZR 800. I'm not going to replace the backup lights because they're rarely used. It's not really worth it to replace them until they die, but the running lights are on all the time. I'm eventually going to be replacing all the bulbs, so stay tuned to my videos. But this is just the tail lights. So you might ask, why don't you just get the whole LED thing? Well, if you do the whole LED thing, they don't have reverse lights in them, for one. And for two, they get water in them. Look at the reviews. They always get water in them, and then they fog up. So I didn't want that. And plus, these lights are only $10.99. Alright, and so these are the bulbs that work without having to worry about polarity or any kind of crap like that, or CK sockets versus non-CK sockets. Buy these. Zevo Red 3057R. Also compatible with 3157 and 4057. There's the UPC. And they do have a lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bulb. So these are not polarity sensitive, so you just put them in and you're good to go. I'll show you. Okay, super easy to install. Unscrew the bulb from the housing underneath. Get your bulb here. Of course, my shadow. Take the bulb out. There's the old school bulb. Put the fancy LED in. Fancy LED goes in. Boom, click. There we go, it's in. Put the bulb back in the little hole. Twist to lock. There we go. Installed. Alright, now I installed one LED and one is a normal light bulb. Let's see if you can tell the difference. This is just with the this is just the running light. Let me go hit the brake light. Alright, and here's with the porch lights on. So you can see them kind of with the camera adjusted for a little bit brighter light. So can you tell which one is the LED and which one is the bulb? Well, let me show you. Alright, this one is the LED. See, it's got the heatsink on it, and they're side-firing LEDs. And this one is the bulb. So the left one was the bulb the whole time. And here's both of them installed. Alright, and as you can see, running lights, super bright brake lights. Some people said that it didn't work when they pressed the light, so they had to flip the bulb around. I didn't have to, and I installed these 4 times for the video, randomly, and I don't know. But, yeah, these are the bulbs you need. Hope that saves you some time. Thanks for watching.